very often you let other people drive your car, but here we are. We got Brandon McGee here. He showed up to the house today, so we're gonna give him a crash course on turbo cars. If you know, I'll put a quick video of his car. He's all about nitrous cars. So we're gonna give him a quick crash course on some turbo driving. All right, sir, hop in that thing.
Coincidentally, I do have a turbo car. I just have never driven it.
So he has Flacco's truck. So the truck is getting worked on. It's had some work done to it, so he hasn't made a pass with it yet, but this is gonna be his introduction to the turbo world here. All right, sir.
Okay.
All you got is the first switch. Turn the power on.
Oh.
All right, wait a second.
Do I hit the bump now?
Yeah, bump now. Trans brake off the rip as soon as it starts. And then the second button.
CO2 bottle on this thing whenever we get to that point?
No, you don't need to. The second button's a starter, and that's it.
No fuel pump, no nothing?
Nope, 2 buttons. Just let it start, and
I got about 18 buttons I fire off. Okay, so whenever we get to the, you know what? You'll be surprised while I'm surprised.
So this is trans brake, and that's bump.
How many times do you hit it?
Huh?
How many times do you hit it?
I mean, you can just
Enough
hit
till it feels right?
it once or twice, whatever you want. So fire that thing up, sir.
You gotta pump the gas in this thing? You know, I got
Yeah,
carburetor
yeah.
life.
So start spinning over. Pump it like once a little bit. All right.
You got lights? You have any lights in this thing? Headlights?
Nah, we ain't got that.
Yeah, felt a little awkward, not gonna lie. Look at a street truck just hanging out. Made a half-track pass right there. Oh, we got the neighbors coming. Gotta act like we weren't just doing that. Hey, how's it going? Well, they actually even waved back. That thing is definitely wicked. never actually bumped a turbo truck in or turbo car at all for that matter, so it's pretty sweet. Let's see here. See if he made the cruise back to the house. I don't know how my audition went, but first time, so we'll see.
Well, sir, what do you think?
I think the bump is scary. It sounds like everything is coming apart.
Oh yeah, it sounds like transmission about to fall out that thing.
Yeah, I thought it did. I was like, wow.
Yeah. It's
First
a little-
rip and the transmission's already about to run over it.
Yeah, it's a little rough sounding.
It's about to sweet.
Yeah.
How'd my tryout go? Am I ready? Am I subbed in for this weekend or what?
Yeah, go ahead. You can take it out anytime, sir. What do y'all think? For first time in a turbo car, bumping it first time ever in his life, I think he did all right, but he is used to way faster cars than that, but so
You took my turbo virginity.
yeah, glad I could do that for you.
You didn't give me a kiss on the ear when you were done or nothing. Just sit and slap me on the ass and sit me on my way.
Well, there you go. That is the first turbo pass for him, and now we changed the nitrous guy over. See if he'll ever go back.